Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is about transitional words and phrases. Transitional words or phrases are words that join ideas and show the relationship between them. Transition words show the relationship between ideas within a text. They connect words within a text. They connect sentences, they connect paragraphs, they help the writing flow. The reader is able to understand the text better. Transitional words help readers follow ideas more easily, and transitional phrases improve the clarity of the text. The inclusion of transitional words and phrases improves understanding. The passage flows more naturally with transitions. Where do I place transitions? Transitional words and phrases can appear at the beginning, middle, or end of a sentence. Let's have a look at some examples. First, I need to vacuum the tile before I can mop it. Zayn bought a new pair of shoes after he was paid by Ali. Junaid wanted a cookie, but he wanted a popsicle as well. To start, measure all of the ingredients and then pour them into the bowl together. As you can see, the red highlighted words are transitional words. How do I know which transitional words or phrases to use? There are different categories of transition words and phrases. Transitions should be added to support the flow and clarity of the writing piece according to the purpose of the sentence or detail. As you can see, here are some purposes of transitional words or phrases. We will learn about them one by one. Addition, illustration, example, location, time, sequence, compare and contrast, cause and effect, and finally, conclude. Addition. These transitional words and phrases are used to introduce new ideas, expand on a topic, or add more information. For example, such as, for instance, as illustrated by, in this case. Illustration, example. These transitional words and phrases are used to emphasize or further explain an idea with an example or evidence. Examples are as well as, and, to, furthermore, additionally, in addition to, also. Location. These transitional words and phrases are used to show where something is located in relation to other things. Examples include here, there, beyond, over, under, next to, around, in the distance, nearby. Time, sequence. These transitional words and phrases are used to show when something happened or will happen in sequential order. Words like first per second, third, next, then, last, finally, afterward, before, recently, days, weeks, months, years ago, soon, later, meanwhile, over time. Compare and contrast. These transitional words and phrases are used to show similarities and differences between things or ideas. To compare, we use words like similarly, equally, in the same way, both, comparably. And to contrast, we use words like in contrast, on the other hand, but, unlike, however. Cause and effect. These transitional words and phrases are used to show the cause-effect relationship of a specific action. It includes therefore, so, as a result, because, consequently, thus, hence. Conclude. These transitional words and phrases are used to summarize or restate ideas. They are mostly used at the endings. For example, in conclusion, finally, to summarize. Many transitional words and phrases can be added to your writing. Not every sentence needs a transitional word or phrase. Additionally, not every transitional word or phrase has to be placed at the beginning of a sentence. They can be used in the middle and at the end too. That's up for all now. Like, share and subscribe for more content.